I'm going to use my sander to rough up the surface to make the glue stick. I've marked out the material so that I can get this as straight as possible. I'm going to use this spray glue. We've only got one chance to get this right because the spray glue is so sticky. Time to start folding the edges around. Screwdriver heating up on the hob. Holes melted into both door cards. I'm now going to mark the square holes. I can use my Stanley to cut across and fold the material through. Let's get the carbon fibre handle on. I'm pretty happy. After some more messing about at home, I've come up with this. Let me know what you think in the comments. There's definitely a few little bits that I still want to adjust with this interior, but I'm so glad that I went with this theme. It's not going to be for everyone, but let's be honest, neither is the rest of the car.